Hello, hello, hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening. Amber Hawkins, your computer needs a Tilio LLC, celebrating year number 15 of computer training and more that comes to you. If you would like more information, you can go to the website, yourcomputerneeds.net, and also you can call or text to 419-304-4564. Hope everyone's day, morning, or evening is going well so far, and hope that everyone is safe. Now it's going to be before you long. Just a quick question for you all. Have you done your device maintenance yet? Not that I wouldn't be talking about computers only, because usually I do in this case, but with everything that has transpired in probably, I would say, the last 10, 15, even 20 years, laptops and computers are not the only technological devices out there. You have everything from the smartphones to flash and jump drives to external hard drives to servers to drones to cameras to any technological equipment used in such industries as the construction industry, architectural industry, and even in the non-profit sectors. We cannot exclude those in academia or even those in the faith-based organizations. But for this go-around, I'm talking about specifically my fellow nonprofit comrades. As far as the question of did you do your device maintenance yet, there are three things that I am specifying or emphasizing for this go round. One of the things, as far as if device maintenance has been done yet, this is a good time for it because one, it is not too hot and it is not too cold. The weather is pretty much, well, in the area I'm in, the weather is pretty much nice to where you don't have to worry about if it is too cold or if it is too hot. If it was hot, there would be a certain way to perform maintenance for your devices. If it was cold, it would have to be done another way. So because of the weather, this will be a great time to make sure you check your devices. If it's, for instance, time to clear out any web activity you've been doing on your laptops, because when you look through the internet a lot of what's called cookies can build up storage in your computers, laptops, and even desktops. So this will be a great time to do maintenance as far as that. Your smartphones. When was the last time you checked to see as far as arrangements of your photos, arrangements of your videos, if there are any programs you no longer need, if there are any apps you no longer need, and even if there are any pictures or text that you no longer need, you need to check up on that. You also need to check on anything as far as your iPads, your iPhones, any other devices similar to that, and even your accessories. There's a certain way to clean out your jump drive. There's a certain way to clean out or actually clean your external hard drive, for instance. So has that been done? Whether it is done by an individual themselves or if they contract a company to do so. That is one of the reasons. One of the other reasons is that something I've mentioned before, which is everything builds up and it can, especially with smartphones, you keep saving pictures, you keep downloading pictures, you keep downloading files, you keep downloading music, you keep downloading and uploading whatever. Especially with the downloads, that storage can add up and it can also affect your battery. You're probably wondering, okay, why is the battery not lasting as long as it should? Could it be that you have not cleaned up anything in your smartphones yet? So you'll need to check to see what you need and what you no longer need. This is a great time to do it. So my suggestion is, if there are any devices that you think hold a lot of storage but really don't, you need to double check and see how soon that could be done. Because as they say, the sooner the better. Finally, as far as any devices I have not mentioned, I had not talked about, I should say, everything from drones to servers and all of that. If you are any entity, including a nonprofit, that relies on devices such as those, whatever the instructions are to maintain them, make sure you follow that, because that is with any technological device, with anything technology, with anything computers, with anything even artificial intelligence. There is a way to maintain and there is a time to maintain. Because of what was paid to invest in that device, you want to make sure that your investment lasts and make sure it has a return on investment. This is, again, a great time to make sure all your devices are maintained. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you have any thoughts or comments or want to discuss it, comment below, or you can reach out to me. The email is MsPressCEO@yourcomputerneeds.net. You can again call or text to 419-304-4564. You can reach out to me via Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. I almost mentioned Periscope. I haven't been on Periscope in a while, but I need to see if Periscope is still active. Pinterest would be another way to reach me, and even YouTube. The handle is YCNOTLLC 05. Again, YCNOTLLC 05. Again, Amber Hawkins, your computer needs of Toledo LLC, celebrating your number 15 of computer training and more that comes to you. Everyone take care. Depending on your time zone, have a wonderful morning, a wonderful afternoon, a wonderful evening, a wonderful night, and be safe. Bye-bye.